I believe every day is new day, birthday. Every day is birthday. The particles are physical. Also, within 24 hours, change. So new things. And then mental thinking, also out of experience, out of knowledge, also is developed.
Change.
The change. So, every day is birthday. The important, we should utilize every new day proper way. Then days, weeks, months, years, decades, the whole life become something sensible, something meaningful. That is, if you can help other, do it as much as you can. If you cannot, at least restrain harming other. That's the essential of meaningful life.